In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy brand clothing at Hacoo. So what you want to do is first open up Hacoo and then log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one. It's very easy. And then from here, what you have to do is go to the search box up top, and then over here, you want to look for whatever you want to find. So let's say I'm going to look for something Nike. So I'm going to type in Nike. And then over here, as you can see, you will either find something or nothing at all. So if nothing is popping up, it usually means you don't have an account created. So if you don't have an account created, make sure to create one. Or in my case, when I have an account and I'm still not seeing Nike, it's because of my region. And that's the reason why I'm not seeing it. So many people are saying there's some different reasons why. However, the only reason is your region, because Nike right now is not available in my region, and many other things may not be as well. If you go out here and then you go to your profile over here, and then so at the bottom right, click your profile, and then at the top right, click those three lines, the hamburger icon. From here, you can see your region. Click on the region, and then you can see all the different regions in here. So I'm currently at the US region, and you can see that there's a bunch of different regions as well. So pretty much there's a lot of them, okay? So what you have to do is just search for a country, and then if you don't see it, you can simply search for it up top over here, type it in, and then what you have to do is, let's say I want to do England, or let's say United Kingdom. So there we go, Kingdom. And then what you have to do is click on that to change region. Now, if that click is not working for you, because for me, sometimes when I try clicking on a different region, I won't be able to click it because nothing happens like right now. In that case, what worked for me in the past is simply reinstalling the app and clearing cache inside the app. So let me show you how to actually do this real quick. So if you kind of close down the app and you can find it on your phone, you can hold it down and click this I button next to it. And then what you have to do from here, let me just scroll, there we go. So what you have to do is click clear data at the bottom right. So you can find it somewhere in your screen or maybe at the bottom right like me. And then you have to click first clear cache and then OK. And then clear all data, and then OK. What this will do is it will log you out of your account and clear all data. Now simply log into your account, and hopefully you'll be able to switch regions and then actually order some brand clothing on Hacoo. If you still can see the brand clothing, what it means is that essentially those brand clothes are just not available currently, and you can keep checking because after some time those can become available and you'll be able to buy them. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.